How to change destination in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your destination in Uber. Now the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your app, and if you have booked any, you'll find it right here on the screen. Now in my case, I don't have any booked here, but once you book it, you'll find it there on the map, and you'll find the destination and your starting location right there at the map. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the edit bot option that you'll find with the destination arrow there. On the destination arrow, you'll find the little edit option. You want to simply tap on it, and there you want to change your destination. So it's quite simple and easy to change destination in Uber, thanks to Uber for allowing this option to us. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.